Somebody like me, I get up in the morning, adopt a strategy to save a whole political party from a whole mess when the economy is bashing the whole government. I'm saying this on record. Economy Ghana for se come there. Obi antie de eka. Then makofa Airbus asemaba. Strategically, we see me there. Muna matimi carry Airbus assembly. I'm just trying to tell you that strategy is very key in politics.
Abusia Biniano. We aye Owusu Bempa. Owusu Bempa asema waka no. Aye idea I was saying na hwe na ye ka ho asem. Na yebeka say Airbus aye idea Ghana metima ka sese kra no edamanfo ano say scandal bi one my friend Airbus the president elect John Mahama onim hu bi. Even though say all the international courts and investigation now prove say onim ho hwe no, still there are some people within the MPP omugidi say Airbus scandal no real. John Mahama onim hu bi. Share abua papon Owusu Bempa say na bra on or two no. Yeah. Owusu Bempa ni Vim lady aya interview. And what they to just say there was a time na manfo guaban no so MPP aban into us omo strategic. Na omo divert attention. So attention in your bit my diverting nya say yanya character assassination. Now your character assassination na NPP I know has been in a character assassination for so many years. Before MPP beba 2000, near car pass a mile, but I say maybe a kunkuma ato mountain, and maybe a wuni ade. Right after say MPP winnie and say man to a mountain down a true tire. Character assassination. Yamma will be look bad before the people. One casting to mean joining creative be beer no Korean can no Korean we need power. And you see, even though more position now, they are still making fake news. And MPP for when year on by 2028, they'll be part of the minority parties. If MPP and 2028, results on Benyano, they'll be part of the minority. So party getting there, cause if we research, I say others, they'll be part of the other party. Owusu Bempa abua papo John Mahama a create Ghana gas. Amen ne wanya adwumaye. Owusu Bempa de ababa tu da kire say Airbus no. Otena ne dem no one corner. Ne one corner baby o ana otena ye. Ana create ye ana de beto abonten. Abusia yanko tie the full interview. Asama o ka kire afia poku ya. Yanko na netin analytically, you could see say MPP is a dangerous political party. MPP, very, very dangerous. Omi a very diabolic. Very diabolic. Sure? Also before election, I may predict I say, Mahama Benya 185 seats with 53.23%. Sisian Womanya 187. I am predicting say by 2028, say MPP for year, they'll be part of the other party. Other parties, no. Because to me kind of we need power. John Mahama has been consistent with the truth, being honest to Ghanaians. And Ghana phone say, no, this man is honest. Now, say John Mahama Bano started executing the plans, the policies now. I'm telling you, say, MPP will be part of the minority. They will be part of the other party. I was saying, Owusu Bempa yetiro na ke twaneti ma. Owusu Bempa. Was he a chine pana ke discipline no? Yanko na fi yanko ngoti asema. Enkoma wone afia pokuedi ye no. Na yentie ne nsam entitumu ode maye.
About how you were sideline, young quality other people are moving between my head, you mean in our sideline.
Listen, I told you from the beginning. If you are anyone anti-ache, you know me and you know me too well. Somebody like me, I get up in the morning, adopt a strategy to save a whole political party from a whole mess when the economy is bashing the whole government. I'm saying this on record. Economy Ghana for se come there. Obi antie de eka. Then makofa Airbus asemaba. Strategically, we see me there. Muna matimia carry Airbus assembly. I'm just trying to tell you that strategy is very key in politics. Then the whole NDC machinery is after me. Only one person. Why do you think they are also always thinking? You see, as a political party, you need to be strategic. Now we are campaign elections. Now we'll see. You think it's all about bantering Sami Jenfi on radio and TV will win you an election? You'll be making a terrible.
But saw better download the Pay app, no? Pay app, and no, and this send is Kefra Butchery Ebagana. Promo code Ninya Sunaba ASONABA. And one no, your amount $5. Now also, would they attack you half far?
I was here, and at the honor. Utie NS Owusu Bempa. What can I say? Won't me antina radio so and battle Sami Jenfi. No, you can't do that to battle Sami Jenfi to win power. Sami Jenfi no ka den. Sami Jenfi no ka no kure. Sami Jenfi ka enyema na Mahama aye. Sami Jenfi ka enyema Mahama ba obeye. Sami Jenfi ka enyema esiso oman mu. Enti to sit on radio to battle Sami Jenfi means you are battling with the truth. Only no credit kwakushia and no credit according to MPP no, it doesn't win power. A jade na won chantro na economy nyanye ye na times in free economy. So at the end of the day, oni pa no ho akyere na no ho akyere no. Ama sa Airbus scandal Kisia Jaben special prosecutor aya investigation trans we share mu the report beto abonte say Mahama hu so wonim ho hwe still na people for say there be nya no correct Mahama nim hu bibi MPP say nya no correct Mahama nim hu bibi na Kisia Jaben ene NDC aya baako Mahama ye baako and one kan no correct. This is the new patriotic party and ade Owusu Bempa team organizing crofo call Mahama office. So woman no one for Airbus scandal and now one MPP for the Biana community like MPP for so much MPP for omo say na Owusu Bempa swan crofo kogu John Mahama fie nim so mo kwakwel John Mahama meka so Airbus ho abuso look at it another hono 20 Airbus asemwa Ghana government official 1 government official den a buy na busuya according to Owusu Bempa no ono na etena ne kitchen opa akonya bi ema friend say ejare akonya ne bi ana otra so ana de paper to na no odre ke menya de and to be frank a former MPP for no a former MPP for yes because they still believe it. See ye poor minus ye chichro manya. We need honest people. We are Ghana ni now that's so supporting MPP with all the happenings are now one kasa no waduna kakra. Na bibia kakra wo mu a we say sa homani bi na we say joining you. Anasa homani bi we say tifri ho na papa na edishemu. We don't know. Enti abusia ye po mampani a ya test no ya try na John Mahama. One ya investigating no ayen munhwemu a ban corruption fighter waba said no ni feeling keka ho bia na Mahama abano enkrofo ahyase confess. Yes, they will keep confessing and nyama wo maye bone o madi no abushon be confess. Jupe so send this Kefra Butchery akọ Ghana use promo code ASONABA ASONABA na yama $5 now so fa check how far oba share video no Owusu Bempa say Airbus scandal no no tra ne jare ano create yo enya ade bi ehu ono na tra ne jare wo create ye ete minia enwa no abusham de wasi binia no
But saw better download the Pay app, no? Pay app, and no, and this send is Kefra Butchery Ebagana. Promo code Ninya Sunaba ASONABA. And one no, your amount $5. Now also, would they attack you half far?